Please get it recorded.
Y'all hear that whine?
Please
We don't fucking play.
Please get it recorded, Day. Get that shit. Go. Look out there.
Place to be?
I can't afford to let this motherfucker go.
You see that fucking line?
I can't afford to let this
zoom in for y'all.
go.
Let me zoom in for y'all. Look at that shit. Look how that fucking pole bent. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that fucking clock?
Let me take this phone off.
Y'all hear that clock winding down?
Water if I need to.
Y'all hear that clock winding down? Man, my boy don't play. Yeah, I hear that clock. That means it's a fucking big one. If this ain't a bass, it gotta be a fucking alligator.
Right? Look.
Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. I won't let y'all miss it. I won't let y'all miss it. I won't let y'all fucking miss it. You see that line in the fucking water? Yes, sir. He a big stubborn motherfucker.
If he's stubborn as hell, come on, buddy, just give up. Just give up. Just give up. Just give up. Just give up.
Look how that motherfucker got that line in the water, man.
Just give up. Yo.
Look at that shit.
He going.
Look at that shit.
He going. He coming. He coming. He going. There, get back there.
Yes, sir. We got this motherfucker.
He going up. Come on, daddy. Come on, granddaddy.
Let y'all see every little snap. We don't buy fish, baby.
Don't do that.
We don't buy fish.
Don't do that.
We don't buy fish, we catch them.
Don't do that.
We don't buy fish, we catch them. You see the head on that motherfucker?
Don't do that.
We don't buy fucking fish, we catch them.
Don't do that.
We don't buy fish, we catch them, baby.
Don't do that. Don't fucking do that.
Don't
do that. What I told you.
Yo.
I told you I'ma kill you. I told you I'ma kill you. I told you. Think I was playing.
No joke.
You think I was playing?
Man, look at the fucking look at that shit. You fishermans know. Y'all out here catching fish, you know what time it is.
Like a pro. Shit, there, your fish jumping out of the bag.
Nah, I ain't had to put them in.
I can't even get it out.
The bottom of that shit. Got it. That bitch about to pop out. That bitch all twisted.
Let it go.